I'm Mr. Kang Kim Sir from CC Advisory and Kang CC 49. So today, in conjunction with the International Engineer Day, the purpose of this interview is to raise the awareness, the importance of the financial literacy among engineers. So I now invite Mr. Anson to introduce yourself and your background.
Yes. First of all, selamat petang. Thank you very much, Mr. Kang, and welcome to our department. Bahagian Kejuruteraan Awam, Majlis Pemandang Tawau. Sebelum itu saya perkenalkan diri saya. My name is Muhammad Iksan bin Wahab. I'm a second engineer in Majlis Pemandang Tawau Municipal Council. And my background is a degree in civil engineering and environment. So this is my degree is principal. And my purpose, I mean the duty for my position in Majlis Pemandang Tawau is more on the maintenance of a public facility, infrastructure, and a bit of development in terms of public facility and infrastructure.
So, you have to got a question.
Going to you, Mr. Isan.
Can you speak louder?
Okay. What is my question is, what is the main factor that make the financial literacy among engineers become important? What's the main factor? The financial literacy for engineers become important nowadays.
Okay, in terms of financial literacy, can you explain a bit more about literacy?
Okay, financial literacy is the issue is how we use the money for the purpose of development. Maintain, like you say, your duty is maintain the facility. How we use the program to maintain the facility, upgrade the facility, or just make some more further development, uploading the Majlis Pemandang Tawau scale and standard.
For the easy in terms of management,
Financial management.
in terms of financial management for the engineering purposes.
Yes.
In our municipal council, basically we need to have a balance between the development and our expenses. This is the main basic and fundamental purposes. Our department have limited of budget, but at the same time we have to serve the public at the the best service for them, but using the limited of the budget. So as an engineer, the very important thing is how we spend the budget at the optimum, the efficiency of the expenses.
Yes.
So we take maybe one cases. Once we have to, we have to serve the public with the new of public transportation. Okay. So with the limited budget that we have, how far that can we design it to fulfill their demand?
Yes.
In terms of the design itself, it will give how their condition, how conducive they can get with the amount of the money. So that's the basic purpose of the engineer, to design very well and at the same time reduce the cost of the construction. That's the main important things.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. And the second question is today is, what are the challenges facing by the engineer in the financial literacy? Yeah.
I think this question is a very good question because the challenge is every year we have this kind of challenge. We have a limit of, again the limit of the budget, but at the time we have rise the demand is rising. So, every time we propose the project, we have to fight the budget with the other, the other divisions, I mean the other department. So, my boss need to think it, which one is more important, development or the current purposes for this. So, I think development, we cannot stop development. We need to rise up development because the population will increase every year. Once the population increase, that means the infrastructure we need to upgrade. So, in terms of the budget management, we need to have some formula to find out, to secure the budget as well. We can increase our development years by years. I think that's it.
Yeah, I think these are the two main very important questions, and we have just heard about the sunset. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this
Thank you very
for
much.
your. I hope you have a very happy International Engineer Day,
Yes.
and hope all the engineer Junta in Malaysia have a happy Engineer Day and happy Engineer Day for the whole world.
Thank
Thank you very much.
you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Happy Independence Day.